Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is part 2 of this Draw a City map about a lake. And I showed yesterday how you could vectorize the lake itself and get this item. So now I thought I'd show, and if you go to the Snazzy Map Builder and leave your zoom the same and everything the same, and go back till you get a colored map, then you can go to hide this screen and take you a screenshot with the snipping tool and just get what you want, save it as a PNG like before. I'm not going to save it because I've already got it saved. And then go back to Corel Draw and import that map, and it should be exactly the same size, which is pretty neat. So then you just take your nudge distance and make sure it's set pretty little, get your map pretty close, zoom in on part of your map, and then just click, and using your arrow keys to get it more where the map is, and you can see it's a pretty near a perfect fit. And then because you have a colored map with the roads, this is real easy to build your roads. So take your 2-point line or your freehand tool and just start drawing a line pretty close to that. And I've got several videos on how to show how to put in like this Highway 71. And then you're going to take and make that road thicker and black. And then let's zoom in here. And even part of this map that goes over this road, you can actually do that. Just get the shape tool and let's get a little bit closer to where it should be. Let's just delete that node. Let's add a node right there by double left clicking. Then turn it into a cusp, and then that way only one handle will control it. And we're going to call that good enough for right now. Make one little minute change. Now we want to make an area over there that looks like a bridge going across this road. So let's zoom in here. Take your 2-point line this time and just draw you a line and draw you another line. Take your virtual segment delete key and delete that line. And then you can actually delete the ends of these lines. And then this way it looks like a bridge going over that part of the lake. And then of course, to make sure it works, you can get your smart fill tool and fill that in. Let's fill it in with blue so it looks like a lake. And I would always suggest to back up. Don't put black and then blue, because you might have two colors. And there you go. You've got a road going across the bridge. And I've got several videos on how to add like this 71 or add names. And because now you have a colored map, you can definitely draw this road in right here. This will be Highway 620 and this is the dam. And then you can always name your bins, because you're going to move this original map away. So let's just take our text tool and let's type in Lago Vista. Let's make it a little smaller. And let's put it about right there. Now, let's take away our original map. And now we have a road and a town already marked that easily. And then of course you would just take away the smart fill to engrave and cut that. This is a hairline. Well, it should be. Let's make it a hairline and let's make it red. Let's make sure there's not two objects there, and there is. So what you're going to want to do, that is the one of them. I would take the nudge distance and set it on like 15 inches, click one of them, and move it out of the way. And then click on the second one, and there's your hairline. So we do not need this one. So let's move this completely out of the way, and this is what it would look like. Very easily to do a map like this. This snazzy map is put in a whole different realm of possibilities. We've got the same thing going on here. There's a non-hairline there. So just click on it and see it's part of the map now. Because you could hit the delete key and the whole thing will delete. So we actually had an extra feature in there we did not need. So snazzymaps.com. Pretty cool. It's going to make life pretty easy. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.